welcome to WebKIH. I'm Jubair. Today, let's dive into website performance analysis using GTmetrix. So, let's go to Google and search for GTmetrix and then hit enter. Then simply click on the very first link. And then here you go. So first of all, you need to sign up for this tool to use. So in my case, I'll sign up for this. Now simply validate your email address by checking your email, then simply click on this. So this GTmetrix is our tool. It gives insights for a faster website. So let's dive into the analyzing our website. So in my case, I will start with my own website. That is, so make sure add those before and after. Then simply click on the analyze. So here you go. We have got our report here. So you can see all the reports here from the performance, from the structure, and the page load timing, and every other details you will find if you scroll a bit to the bottom, and then if you check, your status and where you can improve your website performance. So everything here you can find in details added to this report. So they are all chapters shaping your site's narrative. They also give practical optimization tips, optimize images, use browser casing, real-world strategies to enhance performance. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's tips, thumbs up and share with your tech friends. Comment your thoughts, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for the latest tech updates. This is Jubair from WebKIH, signing off. Happy teching!